How to make a private channel on Discord. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can make any particular channel private in Discord. So there are basically two parts in this video. In the first part, I'll show you how you can actually create a new private server. And in the second part, I will show you how you can convert any existing public channel into a private channel. So in order to start, the first thing that we're going to do is go to our Discord server. So as you can see, currently I am in the one server, which is my private server. Now, within this particular server, I can see that I have this channel that says general. So currently this is right now set to public, but if you would like to change it to private, what you can do is simply right click onto this, and from here you can click onto this edit channel. Now, within the edit channel, you can see this permissions option. So click onto the permissions channel, and from here click onto this private channel. So by making a private channel, only select members and roles will be able to view this channel. So to simply you can enable this, and from here you can add members or the roles, and they will only have the access to this particular channel. Now moving on to the another part, that is how we can actually make a private channel is quite simple. You can simply click onto this plus icon of create channel, and from here choose the channel type like text, voice or forum. Type in the channel name. So let's say this is private channel. So this will be the name for our private channel. And then you have this toggle that says private channel. Simply enable this, so only select members or roles will be able to view this channel, and click on next. Now from here you can simply add roles or admins right now, but you can also skip it. And once you do this, you can see that you have successfully created your private channel in Discord. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.